welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. It means a lot. In today's video guys, we'll show you if you experience hard brake pedal on Dodge Journey or Fiat Freemont. It's the same vehicle under two different names guys. If you have a Dodge Journey and your brake pedal is really hard and you have a limited stopping power, what could be the cause for that? Okay, it could be like 4 things I believe. Okay, let us show you now. First, your brake pedal guys, okay, it has a booster and that booster is controlled by vacuum. Okay, you can see this is your brake pedal booster, okay, right there, that round thing, and this is your brake pump. So what happens, that booster has a membrane inside and vacuum pulls that membrane and it makes okay, the brake pedal softer, okay, easier to press. If there is no vacuum, okay, your brake pedal will be hard. Now, what are the reasons for no vacuum? First of all, inspect your connections. Okay, inspect your hoses. Like right here, okay, you can see this is the booster hose. Okay, it goes on top. Make sure that it doesn't have leaks. Sometimes they will crack. Okay, it will leak, and as a result, okay, you're not going to have good brakes. Also, there is a valve. Okay, that's one directional valve. If that valve is bad, you might experience the same thing. In addition guys, okay, that Dodge Journey, it has a brake vacuum pump. This pump right here, this is your brake vacuum pump, and what it does, it actually creates the vacuum for the brake booster. And you can see you have 2 hoses, one coming from the brake booster to the intake creates some vacuum, and also you have the pump. If you need additional vacuum, it's going to turn on. Now, we have a video how to test that pump. It's super simple to test and you can even test it without removing it. So we'll show you guys, it's on the channel, check it out how to do that. But if that pump doesn't work, okay, it could be a few more things. Okay, you might have a bad relay or a bad fuse. So usually when you open your fuse box, you see right here it says vacuum pump relay. Okay, that relay is for your vacuum pump. But also you have a fuse. That fuse right here, okay, that 20 fuse, that's for your vacuum pump as well. So if any of those is bad, okay, the pump will not work. We have a video how to test the relay. Check it out guys, it's on the channel. Now, the most common failure is a hose or a cracked connection somewhere, cracked hose, leaking hose. So always check those, always check the seals as well. Okay, like that hose right here that connects, okay, it has a seal inside of it, okay, O-ring, and if that O-ring is leaking, it can cause the same thing. So hopefully guys, the video will be helpful to some of you trying to figure hard brake pedal and limited braking power on Dodge Journey. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.